Good morning, children. We are dealing arithmetic progression, exercise 1.2. In that, we are finding the missing terms. First problem already we have solved. Now we'll go into second problem to find the missing terms in the boxes. I have written the second problem here. To solve this problem, I am not using any shortcut term. I am explaining everything in detail because shortcut form will not lead into the success. So we are explaining everything in detail so that this will help you to solve many other problems in the future topics also. So you know general form of AP, that is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So like that up to n terms. First term is A1. A1 is nothing but A. Second term A2, which is A plus D. Third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D, etc. This knowledge also you have. Now you see that according to our problem, this particular problem is in AP already, means they have common difference. So we have no doubt at all. It is said that in the following AP, it is mentioned AP means arithmetic progression. In the following AP means all those problems given are in AP form. AP form means they have common difference between the consecutive numbers. So this particular problem is AP, that means they have common difference. What we have to find is the missing term. What is the missing term here? You can see A1 is missing, A2 is there, A3 is missing, and A4 is also given. So we have to find A1 and A3. A1 and A3. What is A1? A1 is nothing but A. If you find A, then we have found the first term, first missing box. Next, what we have to find? A3. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A plus 2D. To find A3, we should know A value as well as D value. To find first missing term, first box, we just need A. If we find A, that's enough, we have got the answer. But in the A3, the third box, you can see that we need to find A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. We need to find A as well as D to know the third missing box. Understand, children? Now, how you find A and A plus 2D, or how you find first and third term, how it is possible? We'll do one thing. We wait for someone to bring A and B. Is it possible? We cannot wait like that. Or we can also not wait that something A and D falls from the sky. All these things are not possible. We have to use our brain how to extract A and D from the given aspect itself. What is given? As you can see that second and fourth term are given. Second and fourth term. What is second term? According to general form, second term is nothing but A plus D. A plus D is nothing but 13. Second term A plus D is nothing but 13. What is the given next? A4. A4 is given. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A plus 3D is nothing but 3. A plus 3D is equals to 3. Why? How have taken? On what basis have taken? A plus D is equals to 13. A plus 3D is equals to 3. On what basis I have taken? It is not, I have not done any magic at all. First, we know the general form of AP. General form of AP. So, what are the things are there in particular places? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Now you can see that in place of A1, A, that we do not know. In place of A2, A2 is nothing but A plus B. A plus B is equals to 13 here. A plus B in place of general form of AP is nothing but A2 is nothing but A plus D. In place of A plus B, 13 is there. So I have taken A plus D is equals to 13. So what is this A3 here? In place of A3, nothing is there. So we have to find what is in place of A4. In place of A4, 3 is there. So what is A4? A plus 3D. So A plus 3D is equals to 3. From this I am going to get the value of A and D. Now how you get the value of A and D? So there are various methods by which you can get the value of A and D. See, if you know one term, then other term can be substituted and we can get the other term. But it is not possible here. We need to know A and D also. So there are two equations here. These two equations form simultaneous linear equation. These are simultaneous because two variables we do not know. An equation has two variables A and D because both the terms we do not know. So therefore, these two equations having two variables forms simultaneous linear equation. This I am going to take, and by elimination method, there are various other methods also. Elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, which you are going to learn in the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. There the teacher will teach you about how to solve x and y value by various methods. One of the methods from there I am taking to solve this problem. So here I am eliminating A to get the value of D. I am eliminating A. If I eliminate A, I will get the value of D. Or you can also, it's not like what I say that only you should follow. You can eliminate D also to get the value of A. Here it's very easy for me to eliminate A. It's not easy to eliminate value of D. Why? Because in both the equations, either A or D should be same. Here, as you can see in the equation, A is same, D is not same. In the first equation, D is 3 times. 3 times D is there. In the second equation, D is 1 time. So to eliminate D, you have to multiply the whole equation by 3. If you want to know that, we will explain in the next video. But we are just eliminating A in this problem. Now you can see that we want to eliminate A by this equation. So I have taken these two equations. What I do is subtract equation 1 from 2. I have named these two equations as 1 and 2. I am subtracting 1 from 2. So I am writing 2 first. 2 first. Why? Because subtract 1 from 2. Or you can also make subtract 2 from 1. Everything is left to you according to your convenience. Okay. Now second equation I have written, and from second equation I am subtracting first equation. That is second equation A plus 3D is equals to 3, of which I am subtracting A plus 3 is equals to 13. So to subtract means what? To change the signs. For example, here first equation, this is the first equation. From that you are subtracting the second one. Thus you are changing the signs. Here this is plus A, you want to make it minus. This is plus D, make it minus. This is plus 13, make it minus. Only then it's possible. If minus is there here, make it plus. If plus is there, you make it minus. Okay. So now here A to be subtracted with A itself, D to be subtracted with D itself, and the constant terms to be subtracted with the constant term itself, and LHS should be subtracted to the LHS and RHS to the RHS. These are the very important thing. Now you can see that I am not subtracting A and D. I am subtracting A and A only. And I am subtracting D and D and constant and constant. Now see, A minus A minus A, 3D minus D is equals to 3 minus 30. Once again, A minus A, 3D minus D is equals to 3 minus 30. After subtracting, A gets cancelled up. 3D minus 1D is equals to 2D, plus 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Now we got, after this elimination method, we got D value. 2D is equals to minus 10 we got. Thus A we have eliminated. Now we don't want 2D, we want D. So further what we do is divide both sides by 2. So dividing this 2D is equals to minus 10, both sides by 2. So that 2 to get cancelled, we have D here. 2, 5 times 10 minus kept as this. So we got D is equals to minus 1. We got d is equals to minus 5. Once we get the d value, then it's very easy to find the a value. So this d value, you can either put in equation 1 or equation 2. So that is your wish. Or you can put in both the equations, but you will get the same value. I have tried both the equations. Now see here, d is equals to minus 5. I have taken that. I am going to put substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. I have done both here. Okay, equation 1 is nothing but a plus d is equals to 13. So we have found the value of d here, substituted. A plus, what is the value of d? Minus 5 substituted. Is equals to 13, kept as it is. Now plus into minus is minus. Thus it becomes a plus 5, a minus 5 is equals to 13. Now we want the value of a. So what we do is plus 5 add both sides. After adding plus 5 both sides, minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. I have added plus 5 both the sides. Plus 5 both the sides I added. So now minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. Remaining a. 13 plus 5 is 18. Thus we got the value of a is equals to 18. This b is equals to minus 5. You can also substitute in equation 2. What is equation 2? A plus 3d is equals to 3. A plus 3d is equals to 3. Where I have substituted in place of d its value, that is minus 5. Minus 5 I have substituted. This is 3 times d. What is the d value? D value is minus 5. So 3 times minus 5. 3d is nothing but 3 times d. Now d value is minus 5. So 3 times minus 5. 3 times minus 5 is 3 into minus 5. Now see here, this is plus 3 and minus 5. Multiplication. A kept as it is. Plus into minus, minus 3 5 times 15 is equals to 3 kept as it is. Now what we got is a minus 15 is equals to 3. Now we don't want minus 13. We want to eliminate that very simply by adding both sides with plus 15. Added both sides with plus 15. Now plus 15 minus 15 gets cancelled. What is remaining is a. Then 3 plus 15 is equals to 18. In both the equation, if you substitute, you will get a is equals to 18, a is equals to 18 itself. Why I have done both? The thing is, it should not be confused and you should not ask a question, sir, whether we can substitute in equation 1 only or we should not do with this equation 2. You should not say earlier. You can substitute with anything what you have got. And you will get the value same because mathematics is same for everything. Understand? So therefore a is equals to 18, a is equals to 18 we got. Now what we required, we got d value and a value we have got. That's all the arithmetic progression. If you know that a and d value, we can form, as I told long back, n number of set of numbers. We can form. Now after solving all this, we got a is equals to 18 and d is equals to minus 5 we got. What we have to find? So these boxes we have to find. What is this box? This box is nothing but a1. A1 is nothing but a. What is the value of a? Find the value of a and a3. What is the value of a? A we already got 18. So this box is 18. So next box is a3. What is a3? A3 is nothing but a plus 2d. In this a plus 2d, whatever the value you got, you substitute. A is equals to 18 you have got here. Plus 2 times d is there. 2 times d value is minus 5. Minus 5 you substitute. That means a3 is equals to 18 minus plus into minus minus 2 5 times 10. Now 18 minus 10 is nothing but 8. Thus we got a3 is equals to a3 is equals to 8. The missing terms now are nothing but we have found a and a3. A is nothing but 18. A3 is nothing but 8. Thus the missing terms are nothing but 18 and 8. 18 and 8. Thus you can see that the missing terms 18. What is there here? What should have been 18? You got that. Next term 13. Next missing term is 8 and then 3. Thus we got the problem is understood children. Next we will solve the third problem in the next video. Thank you children.